The complete guide to Google Ads. Why Google Ads? Google Ads enable you to pay to appear in search results for specific keywords and in front of specific audiences. Google Ads are one of the best ways to drive qualified traffic. This is high-intention customers searching for your product or service to your business. Once you sign up for a Google Ads account at ads.google.com, navigate to the Campaigns page in this left sidebar. On the Campaigns page, click this blue plus icon button. In the menu, select New Campaign. On this New Campaign page, select your campaign objective. This objective is the goal of your ad campaign. We are collecting email leads on our landing page, so we will select Leads for this campaign objective. Next, you'll be prompted to select Conversion Goals to track with this campaign. We will show you how to install a conversion goal tracking later on, so just click Continue. Next, select your campaign type. For example, we could select video if we wanted to create a YouTube ad video. We could create a shopping ad to target for our e-commerce stores. But we want to appear in Google search results for specific keyword search queries. So we will select the search option. Click Continue. So how do we want to reach our goal? For us, it is website visits. So we'll select that and paste in our lead capture page URL. This is where I will capture that email address via a lead form. And finally, let's name that campaign. For us, we name it Goal, so leads, Audience, who are we targeting, and Date. Click Continue. Next, set your budget and bidding strategy. To collect enough data, we suggest a minimum of $20 per campaign split test, so each campaign you are testing. Next, change your bidding strategy to maximize clicks. So click this hyperlink or select bid strategy directly. In this drop-down menu, select maximize clicks. So in the top right nav bar, click that tools and settings icon. This will expand the menu for tools and settings. Under planning, right-click keyword planner and select open link in a new tab. Google Ads includes this free keyword research software, the Google Ads Keyword Planner. This is the direct URL for access. You can also get Google Ads certified for free at the following link. So on the Google Ads Keyword Planner page, click that Discover New Keywords option. First, you can select Start with a website in the top and paste in your competitor's URL to find keywords relevant to that URL. We have our seed keywords, so we will select the Start with Keywords option. Here, type in your main keywords ideas, separated by a comma. Then click that Get Results button. Your searched keywords will appear in the top search navbar and below in this keyword chart. Here you can research monthly search volume, other keyword ideas from Google, Google Ad cost per click bids, and much more. For example, the long-tail keyword Financial Literacy Course has 1,600 monthly searches on Google.com and will cost between $2.18 to $6.80 per Google Ad click. So navigate back to the tab that has your Google Ad campaign creation open. So under the bidding section, the Set a Maximum CPC Bid Limit field, type in that high-end CPC bid for that keyword and add 1 cent to outbid the highest bidder always. So this is for the target keyword that you found in the keyword planner page, which for us is Financial Literacy Course. It was $6.80, so I input $6.81. Next, under More Settings, there's the Ad Rotation option. Just confirm this says Optimize, prefer best performing ads. Then click the Next button. Now we're on the campaign settings page. First is Networks. You want to unselect these two options, Search Network and Display Network. We only want to appear on Google.com for search results. This is the highest return on investment. Next, under Locations, select your target location. For us, this is the United States. Then under location options, make sure to select presence, people in or regularly in your targeted locations, to ensure you only target your set location, not just people interested in that location. Next, select your target customer language and review these final settings. We leave them as the default. Click the next button. Next is the ad group level. So under the campaign, the ad group is where we can set our keywords and create our ads. So first, click that pencil icon to rename your ad group for easy identification and reporting, such as financial literacy keyword. That's what we're targeting. Under the keyword section, begin copy and pasting in your targeted keywords, the keywords you discovered in the other tab, Google Ads Keyword Planner. So a pro tip here, improve your keyword research with our favorite software, Coursenvy.com/long-tail-pro. Now notice under the Enter Keywords field, the match types. Keyword match types help control which Google searches will trigger your ads. So first is keyword. This has no brackets and no quotes around it. This is a broad match. Ads may show on searches that are related to your keyword. Next is phrase match. These are quotes around your keyword. Ads show on searches that include the meaning of your keyword. And finally, exact match, brackets around your keyword. Ads may show on searches that have the same meaning or the same intent as your keyword. So you can learn more at this link about keyword match types. We want to target specific keywords only and not waste ad spend. So we only target quote, phrase matches, and bracket, exact matches. And we only want to target a few similar keywords. So we'll split test each campaign targeting a common themed similar keyword, such as this example, financial education in quotes, financial education in brackets. Next, financial literacy, phrase match, exact match. And finally, free financial literacy course, free financial literacy course. This has a theme of financial education, financial literacy, and financial course. So we'll show you how to add keywords in the future to this campaign. So next, once we have our keywords input, scroll down to the ads section. Here we'll create our ads for this campaign. First, you'll input the final URL. So make sure this is the correct landing page for your Google ad campaign. Under the display path section, include your main keyword to further improve your chances of a high intention user clicking your ad. So ours, two main keywords, financial literacy. Next are headlines and descriptions. Google uses machine learning to quickly test and identify the best headlines and descriptions for your ad. So fill out all of these fields. So all the headline fields and all the description fields to give Google the most options for bulk testing via machine learning. So you'll use a mix of your target keywords, test different value propositions, try different call to action phrases, such as ours here, free financial literacy course, #1 financial literacy course, join 400,000 plus students, and so on. One pro tip here, for one of the headline fields, include the syntax option. So this is keyword default text. So obviously replace the default text with your main target keyword. This will automatically update your ad's headline to display the actual keyword phrase that the user searched for in Google. For example, the similar keyword phrase financial literacy training is searched by a user at google.com. By including one of my headlines to be this syntax headline option, our headline will auto-populate in the search results for this user with one headline being what they typed in and searched exactly, financial literacy training. So they search that exactly, they see that in the first ad, they go, wow, this is literally made for me. So review all your headlines and descriptions, check them all for spelling errors, make sure you have good value propositions, good call to actions. Once ready, click the Next button. Under the Extension section, you have the option to add various clickable links to your ad, therefore expanding the space it takes up on Google search results. We highly suggest adding these relevant links to increase your Google ad ROI. Plus, it just takes up more space in search results. So you could technically be the entire above the fold on somebody's phone or desktop device. Review your campaign one last time, then click the Publish Campaign button. Now back on your ads.google.com, your Google ad will be under review. So in this left sidebar, you can see these campaign names and you can select any one of them to edit after it has launched. Simply click the name. For this example, we will edit the target audience. So select audience in that left sidebar, and then I'll expand Show Table under Audience Segments. Here, I'll click the Edit Audience Segments. For this audience segment, I'll select Targeting to narrow the reach of this campaign. Then I'll search for and select a target audience segment. For example, parents of teens. So by selecting this, I will be targeting parents of teens who search for the keyword financial literacy course. Also on this audience page, we can enable and exclude targeting specific demographics such as age and gender. Click the Show More option also in this sidebar. Now under Ad Schedule, if you only want your ads to run, say, during your business hours, you can do that via this Edit Ad Schedule. Next, you want to ensure your Google Ads are tracking properly. So again, in the top nav bar under Tools and Settings, expand that menu under Setup, select Google Site Tag. So it's on this page you can share this global site tag with your website developer for them to add to your website's coding. You want to copy and paste this code as the first item in your head section of every web page you want to track. For example, we'll add it to our header code file so it loads on every page. Next, you'll want to set up tracking for specific conversion actions, such as Submit Lead Form. So again, in that Tools and Settings menu, expand this menu, select Conversions under the Measurement menu, and on this Conversions page, click that blue button plus New Conversion Action. Select the type of conversion you want to track. For this example, we're tracking leads captured on our website. Enter the URL for the website where you want to measure your conversions. Click the Scan option. If the conversion action hasn't been created, you'll be prompted to do so now. You can add a page load as a conversion action, or create conversion actions manually to access custom features, such as button clicks. So for us, we selected add a page load option. So when a user submits our lead capture form, the website redirects to a certain URL. For example, add a page load conversion goal. So for this example, it's add a page load. For the conversion goal, submit lead form. For the match type, URL contains. And for the URL, that means success. Here's our specific URL. So that confirms they submitted their lead info, their email address, and the website redirected to this confirmation page. So that will equate a conversion action. They land on the landing page, submit their email, it redirects to a new page, this page loads, and that tracks as a conversion in Google Ads. Once done, click the Save and Continue button. Once you save your conversion action, you'll be redirected to your conversion page. You can click on any conversion action to edit the settings and manually install the tracking tag. So I clicked on a conversion. Here I can click the Edit Settings, or I can select the tag I want to install myself. Since we installed the global site tag in our website's header, no further coding is required or installation. Back on your ad campaign page, ads.google.com, you can edit your ad campaign goals or conversion actions via the settings page on your ad. So click the campaign, click settings in that left sidebar, and then you can choose the specific goal settings for this campaign. So you'll want to monitor the keywords for your ad campaign. So again, select a campaign in the left sidebar under keywords, select search keywords, and monitor this maximize clicks campaign for up to 30 days to identify winning and losing keywords. So a losing keyword is an under 10% click-through rate, a high average cost per click, and no conversions. So here's an example of one keyword I would toggle off. It only got one click. It has a 6% click-through rate or CTR. It has a pretty high CPC, cost per click, $3.39, compared to those top three keywords. Look at that first one, 31 clicks, 20% click-through rate, $2.45 cost per click, and it has 3 conversions. That's a great keyword. So I'll click that green bubble icon next to this losing keyword and pause it. Next, also under this keyword section of your ad campaign, click the search terms page to identify the actual keywords users input and searched on google.com. So I'll checkmark these winning exact keywords and then click the add as keyword link at the top. So a pro tip here, when adding these keywords, add it both as an exact, the brackets match type, and as a phrase match type, the quotes. So we've added those, click the save button. Next, we want to analyze our cost per conversion. So for this campaign, you can see at the ad level of this campaign, our cost per conversion column is $13.96. This is a maximize clicks campaign. Remember, we're testing for 30 days or once we have 10 plus conversions tracked and a consistent cost per conversion. This is the CPA, the cost per action. So once we reach that 10 plus conversions or that testing window we want, we switch this maximize clicks campaign to a maximize conversion campaign with our target CPA. So again, under settings, navigate to bidding and click that change bid strategy link. Click the or select a bid strategy directly and change the bidding strategy to maximize conversions. Make sure to check mark the set a target cost per action. So our current conversion with our 50 plus conversions we tracked already was $13.96. So I always like to add at least $2 to that average cost per conversion. So for us, I'll just round up a little bit and set the target CPA to $16 per conversion. Click save. So after 30 days of running that campaign, we can split test new campaigns using our best performing audiences based on data. For example, navigate to devices of your campaign to identify which device is resulting in the most conversions, such as this one, mobile phones, 54 of 69 total conversions. So maybe I'll create a totally separate campaign just catered to mobile phones. Another example would be navigate to the audience page of your campaign and identify what age and what gender is resulting in the most conversions, such as this one, 18 to 24 men. Make sure to check out Coursenvy.com for more helpful guides like this.